In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Trust Wallet on your Chrome PC. We'll guide you through each step, making sure everything is clear and easy to follow. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Trust Wallet website. Once you're on their main page, type Trust Wallet into the search bar to ensure you're in the right place. As you find Trust Wallet listed there, click on it. Now that you're on the Trust Wallet page, look for the option that says Download. Click on it, and a new set of options will appear. Scroll down to find Chrome, as this is the browser where we'll be adding the Trust Wallet extension. Once you've clicked on Chrome, you'll need to proceed by selecting Add to Chrome, which will initiate the extension addition process. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to approve the addition. Confirm by selecting Add Extension. You should now see the Trust Wallet on your browser's extension bar. If it's not immediately visible, don't worry. You can locate it by clicking the puzzle piece icon or the extensions icon on the top right corner of your browser. You'll see a drop-down list of installed extensions, so go ahead and locate Trust Wallet from that list. With the Trust Wallet extension added, you'll soon see two options. I already have a wallet and Create New Wallet. Since we're setting up a new wallet, you'll want to click on Create New Wallet. Upon selecting this option, Trust Wallet will present you with another choice for how you would like to protect your wallet. Here, you'll see options such as Windows Hello and Password. For this tutorial, we're going to focus on using a password. Choose the password option to continue. Now, it's crucial that you create a strong and memorable password. This password will protect your wallet, so take a moment to think of one that's both secure yet easy for you to remember. Type your new password into the field and then confirm it by entering it again. Once you're sure that both entries match and are correct, click on Continue to proceed. Congratulations! By following these steps, you've successfully created a new Trust Wallet on your Chrome PC. This setup allows you to manage your cryptocurrencies conveniently and securely. Just remember to always keep your password safe and never share it with anyone. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips on how to manage your digital assets safely.